example, this is a new feature that they rolled out within the last couple months here. If you're looking at this and you're like, this looks really great, we'd love to use it, but we just don't have a data team, or we don't have the time to really work through all of the pieces in Power BI and get to a place where it's useful for us, Microsoft has that answered for you. AI with Copilot and the Power BI Premium license lets you use conversational language to describe the insights or visuals that you're looking to see, or to even ask questions about the data that's already in front of you. So you can get that report built for you by Copilot, or you can get it built and then also analyzed by Copilot. So again, if you're really new to the data space and you're looking to leverage data visualization, but don't necessarily have the expertise or time to go through and sift into it, Copilot is there to help you out. The last thing that I think is really cool about this feature is that in addition to creating the graphs for you, Copilot can also create text summaries of the data. So if you really want to hammer your point home and just say, this is the need to know bullets for this graph, you can do that and just really make very rich reports that are straight to the point and communicate very clearly what you're trying to get across. And you don't have to be an expert in data analytics or data visualization to do that, which is just really exciting.